Hey guys, Amy White with Worthy Written Words. Today we're in our Doctrine and Covenants, section 42, verse 45. And the first thing is I'm going to take all the people that come in this kit and I am going to pick out the ones that represent my family the best. So here's a picture of my family, and I'm going to be taking two grown-ups and then the kids as they progress in age with their height. You might be only grandparents, you might be living alone, but you can make this work for you by doing the family you grew up with, or doing you as the grandparents with your grandkids, or you can even do your family ancestry, like your grandparents and great grandparents, or you can make it very flexible. So here is the people that I chose for my family. Now, not all the eye colors match. I have brown eyes, so I'm going to go to these faces and fix them so that they match better with what we are working with. My husband has blue eyes, my daughter has brown eyes, and then my husband is bald, so I am going to cut the hair right off of the bottom part, and I'm going to replace his face with a bald one. This won't matter too much because I'm going to put a hat on his head, but for what you can see, it would be weird if there was blonde hair sticking out. So here I'm putting on a hat, and I'm also going to put a hat on my other son who has loves football. And so I'm going to put that one on him. And then I'm going to go through the hobbies. I like to paint. My husband loves model RC planes and planes in general. My daughter loves volleyball and succulents. My son, he loves video games. So the next one I do for him is football and video games, or give him a hat. You could do one hobby. You could do two hobbies. This one I'm putting a dinosaur because he's at the age where he loves dinosaurs. So now I'm going to put some more personalization. This isn't something I can sell to you guys as all these logos. There's infinite ways to customize things. So I just printed these out on my printer, and it's giving you an idea of what you can put on the hat if they have a favorite sports team or a company logo or whatever would work for you. So my family loves BYU and they love the Saints, and so that is what I chose to put on my hats. What I'm doing here first is I'm attaching stickers and paper to the back of these sticky hats so that they don't latch on to the people and make a mess since they are sticky. I'll come back to the family. Next, I'm going to work on the rest of the stickers on my page. I'm going to put the border stickers along the top, but depending on what kind of book of scripture you're using, they may look better along the side margins. So you can customize this however you want, but I basically just pick the stickers that I love and I add them where I want them to be. The only thing you have to keep in mind is to leave the bottom right corner open, because that's where our family is going to be put. Next, we're going to put our family together, and we're going to do this. You can either have it so that it goes smallest to tallest or tallest to smallest. You can also make it so that it flips out of your book, or you can make it so that it flips in towards your book. So the way that I'm doing this is it will flip in towards my book, and I'm going from tallest to smallest, and I am attaching them with washi tape, just like that. On the sides, you line them up in a straight line. And then you add the washi tape just to the small parts of the back sides, and you won't see the back sides at all. And that way when you fold them, it will look like that. And you'll see that I actually change it up. I switch it around because I decide I want to put me first, the girl doll. And then once you have all of them the way that you want them attached, then you just attach it to your book using the smallest person and just using the Crafters Dot Glue Runner from your kit. And when the first person is down and fixed, then the rest of them will just lay on top of each other. So here I'm going to switch them. And there should be plenty of washi tape in your kit to do this. And then you just fold them up. And you can have more than 5 people. You could have as many as you need. And I'm going to attach this little guy at the end, who's my youngest. And finally, using this dot runner from your kit, we're going to glue. I used an extra little girl from the kit that I wasn't going to use in my family, so you can choose one that you really like. And I just glue her to the top with part of her head sticking up, and then I glue the heart next to her, and that's all I do for the top. It's really easy. Using a Tri Plus fine liner from Staedtler, it's going to be turquoise, I'm going to underline the verse. And then we're going to be done with this page. I hope you had fun working on your family, and I hope that you learned something new, and we'll see you guys next time.